Now let me tell you about the differences between a Maine Coon and a Persian of the same ages. They both have the same time. They are both 3-month olds, and this is the Maine Coon, which can't stop for a while. Stop. It can't stop playing. It just goes out wild all the time. And this is my little Persian, an exotic, short hair, quiet, afraid of this giant. Look, giant, giant, come on, giant. What do you want? Hmm? So this is a Maine Coon. He's 3-month old. This is a little Persian, 3-month old. Giant. No. No, my coffee. No. Hugo. 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 Just little Google. Google. She's a very little girl. Google. Don't do that. You're very big. You're very big, Google. You're very big, Google. 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 Eita, eita, vem cá. Look. Eita, lindo. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye to camera. Say bye bye. Bye bye to camera. Who's your mother? Show, show. Your mother. Ooh, gonna be a very big champion, aren't you?